FreedomSoft's OfferBot allows users to send hundreds of offers at one time, saving you countless hours. It also allows you to use our automatic follow-up system so nothing falls through the cracks. From the upper menu bar, just click on OfferBot. From there, you're going to go click Create Campaign. Now what you're going to do is name your campaign. So in this case, I'm going to name it REO Properties, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,000 square feet. I'm going to schedule the start. You can go ahead and change this date if you'd like, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to keep it as is. I'm going to pick a document template package. In this case, I'm going to pick our Florida State contract. So let's find our Florida State contract. Okay, here's our Florida State contract. I'm going to click on Select. You could also upload a proof of funds by clicking on the Browse button and finding your proof of funds. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go through the offer details. So what percentage of the list price would you like to offer? We're going to go ahead and offer 70% of the list price. We're going to go ahead and put $500 down on the contract. And then we want to do is automate our follow-up system. So we're going to go ahead and select Yes for follow-up offers. Now what the system's going to do is ask you how many follow-ups you'd like to make. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on 3, and this is all customizable so you can do anything that you wish. We're going to go ahead and put 10 days in between each follow-up, and then we're going to go ahead and increase our offer each time we send a new follow-up, and we're going to increase our offer by 5%. Then I'm going to click on the Next button and go to the second step of the wizard. Okay, from here what we're going to do is we're going to find our MLS file. The OfferBot works with the MLS, so what you're going to do is go into the MLS, find your search criteria and the properties that you want to make multiple offers on, and then you're going to go ahead and browse for that file. And here it is, MLS export. We're going to go ahead and open that file, and we're going to click on Next. Now what we're going to do is we're going to map the information that came from the MLS. We're going to match it to our destination field. So I'm going to just click on address, and then I'm going to click on address in the destination field, and on the bottom there's a orange match fields button. I'm going to go ahead and click that. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and match as many of these fields as humanly possible. So I'm going to go ahead state. Gets slightly redundant here, but for the sake of the video I just want to make sure that you kind of get the picture. Let's do agent name. Let's do agent email, and let's do list price. What you're going to notice is all the ones in bold are the required fields. If I can find list price, there we go, is list price. Click list price. Now when you're doing this yourself, you're going to want to go ahead and map as many of these fields as possible so then you can capture all that information. For the sake of video, we're just going to go ahead and map the required fields. After I'm done with the mapping, I'm going to click on Next. Okay, now we have a preview, and what you can do is you can click on the address to make sure all the information came over correctly. It looks like everything is fine, so I'm going to click on the Next button. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put the county of the property. So in this case here, it's going to be Hillsborough. The acceptance date of the contract, let's go into June, let's say June 6th, and the closing date, let's say, is June 30th. And we're going to click on Next. Okay, now we have our contract. Everything is completely filled out with our contract. It's automatically going to get sent. So you can go ahead and check the contract and make sure that your e-signature and all your information is in there correctly. Once everything is set up the way that you'd like it, which you shouldn't have any problems, you're going to click on Next. And I'm going to go ahead and label this. This is offer. Now what you're going to do as a user is you're going to go ahead and create system templates that you can just go ahead and click in. In this case we don't have a system template, but let's just say that it was cash offer here. That's going to go ahead and get sent in there. And let's go ahead and click on Finish. Okay, from here I'm just going to go ahead and refresh the page. And there it is. The number of properties is 21. The offer is now running. The status is running. If I refresh the page, the offers are going to be sent out. So let's go ahead and click on refresh and notice that the offers are now being sent out. If I wanted to look at the campaign, I can click on the REO properties, and that is going to show me all of the information about the campaign. and the offer details. I can go ahead and close on that, and then I can go ahead and click on the number of properties. These are all the properties that came in the file, and notice that you're going to see offers starting to get sent. It's as easy as that, guys. Now you can send thousands of offers at one time. You can save countless hours on your business using FreedomSoft's all-new OfferBot.